Hi, Bowen. Right. Today our discussion. This is test paper one, right? Test paper one. Uh, you can download this paper by our YouTube description, right? I think here YouTube description you can download, right? Question number one, right? Question number one. The remainder when the polynomial function fx is divided by x minus 1. X minus 1 is 2, right? When polynomial function fx is divided by x minus 1 is 2, right? First we have to, what is the theory? Right? What is the remainder theory? When fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa, right? Remainder is fa. That is the theory. That is the theory, right? Now we have give the question like this. The remainder when polynomial function fx is divided by x minus 1 is 2. That is fa is 2, right? Right. Question number 1. Right. We can take that when fx is divided by x minus 1 x minus 1, we can take that, let x equal 1, right? We have to add this one. What is that? X minus 1. Therefore f1, right? Therefore f1. We have no any function, so given that we are using this one, f1 is okay, no problem, right? f1 is 2. That is given 2. Another one also given, no? Another one. The remainder when it is divided by x minus 2 is 3. Let x equal 2. Then we can take that f2 is 3. Very simple, right? Find the remainder when fx is divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Both. Right. X minus 1, x minus 2 product is second order function, no? Second degree function. That is quadratic function. Right. Now we can write fx is x minus 1, x minus 2. Fx is divided by x minus 1, x minus 2. The quotient is, we can take that gx. And remainder, this is the second order, no? We have here first order. Ax plus b. Ax plus b. Right. Now we can use. Now we can take same thing. Let x equal 1. Let x equal 1. Let x equal 1. What is that? f1. Here 0. X equal 1. This one is 0. Therefore, all the thing here 0 equal a times 1 plus b. f1 given that is 2. Here a plus b. Let x equal 2. Now f2 equal a times 2 plus b. Now f2 is 3 equal 2a plus b. We can take the two equations like this. Now 2 minus 1 from equation 2 minus 1 from equation 2 minus 1. What is that? 3 minus 2 is 1. Here 3, here 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2a minus a is a, b is cancelled. Therefore, this one is like that. Right? Now, equation 1. Equation 1. We can add 2 equal 1 plus b. Therefore, b also 1. Therefore, remainder. What is that? Ax plus b, no? a1, b1. X plus 1. Right. That is finished. Right. Next question. I think understood everything, right? You can understand. Right. That is very simple. Theory is needed. Yeah. You have the theory. You needed. What is the theory like that? Right. Everything starts from the theory. Right. Right. Question number 2. Question number 2 is show that like this. Show that. That is trigonometry. Right. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. We have need prove that 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta like that. Right. First we try to take the denominator here sin, and this one goes to sin like this. We need, what is that? We know that theory like that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Therefore sin square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore sin square theta equal, we can take that 1 minus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta. Right? Here 1 minus cos theta, we know that. What is that? 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta. Right? Here 1 minus cos theta. Now we have to multiply 1 plus cos theta. Right? I multiplied up and down 1 plus cos theta. Here also 1 plus cos theta. This one no change because of this is the part of the answer. Right? 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta times 1 plus cos theta here. And here 1 minus cos theta, again 1 plus cos theta. Therefore we can take sin square theta. Right? I am putting here sin square theta. And sin theta times 1 plus cos theta. Directly I am putting sin square theta here. Because of this one is, we know that. Here 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Here 1 plus cos theta, and we can divide. We can take out sin theta like that. Here sin theta, and here 1 plus cos theta. Right? Here 1 plus cos theta sin theta, here 1 plus cos theta sin theta. Then we can cut like this. Here this is the answer. Therefore 1 plus cos theta divide sin theta is the answer. Right? Very simple and very quickly be done. Right? Right, okay. Now next question number 3. Right? Question number 3. Right. Question number 3. Sketch the graph y equal x minus 1 minus 3 and that one 3x times 2 times x minus 1 like that. Right. We need to x minus 1. Here we are using x minus 1 minus x minus 1. What is the theory? Fx we can take like this. We are using that fx for fx greater than or equal 0. We are using fx, modulus fx. And here minus fx, we can use minus fx for that fx lower than 0. If it is fx positive, right, we can use positive. If it is fx negative, we can use with the negative sign, right, multiplied by negative. And here also same, x minus 1 greater than or equal 0, therefore we can take x greater than or equal 1. Here x minus 1 lower than 0, then we can take x lower than 1 like that. Right? That is the answer. Right. Now we can take the graphs like this. We draw like this graph. Here x and here 0 and here y, and this is the line of the x equal 1. This is the point. First we have x minus 1 minus 3. For positive side, we are using this one, x minus 1. Right? X minus 1 minus 3 is x minus 4. Y equal x minus 4 is the graph for here. Right? Y equal x minus 4 is the graph. When x equal 1, right, we are putting this one always. Right? This is our line, x equal 1, y is minus 3. Here minus 3, this is the point. We can take the y equal 0, therefore x equal 4, and that one should be here. 4 is here. That graph is like this. Right? Normally we can draw like that. And next, negative side. Negative side we are using this one. Minus x plus 1 minus 3. Therefore, that answer should be minus x minus 2. Minus x minus 2. Y equal minus x minus 2. Take the x equal 1, that is that one also minus 1. Now we have 0. No? At 0, that is minus 2. And here, minus 2 always here. This is the graph. Right. This graph is y equal modulus x minus 1 minus 3. Total graph like this. And next one, 3x 2 times x minus 1. That one also modulus like this one. 3 times 3x plus 2 times x minus 1. X minus 1 we are using this side positive. X minus 1 is positive. And what is that? Y equal 3x plus 2x is 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2. Yes. 5x minus 2. Yes. 5x minus 2. That one goes to like this, no? And x equal 1, that is 3. 3 is here. Minus 3 here, 3 also here. And this is the point. And that one should be like this. Right? That graph should be like this. We have to minus side. Minus side. What? Y equal 3x minus 2x, that is x, plus 2. When x equal 1, that is 3, point is here. When x equal minus 2, we need, what is that? We don't know where, cut like this and like this, we don't know. Right, we have to find out minus 2 where. Let minus 2, that is equal 0. Therefore, this is the point, and minus 2. Here, this is the point. This is the graph. Right? This is the graph. Very simple way, this is the graph. Now we have inequality. Now we have inequality. What is the inequality? 3x plus 2 times x minus 1, that is greater than x minus 1 minus 3. This graph greater for this graph. This graph greater than this graph. This is greater one. Now here, this is the graph. Here greater, here greater, here greater, here greater, here greater. Here. Here changing point. Here minus 2 to here greater. Greater than like that. That inequality match it up to here. No? This one to here. This one to infinity. Here minus to infinity, that is satisfied, right? Because of that, this is the graph is downside, this one is upside, right? Here the changing point is this one. Then x belongs to minus to infinity, x belongs to r. That is the answer. Finish. That is the answer. Finish. Right? Finish the answer. Now, question number 4. Now we have question number 4. Right? Let OACB be a parallelogram and let D be the point on AC such that AD to DC like that, given that the position vector points A and B with respect to O are lambda A, B respectively where lambda positive, express the vectors OC and BD in terms of A, B and lambda. That is very simple question, right? Right. Now, OACB be a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram we need to draw. Here O, here A, here C, here B. Let D be the point on AC. This is AC, AD to DC, AD to DC 1. This is the D, and here 2, here 1. Right? That is the ratio given. The position vector of points A and B with respect to O are lambda A and B. Lambda A and B. This is lambda A, that is OA, no? A and B. Lambda A and B. This is the B. Right? Where lambda positive, express the vectors OC and BD. OC, this one. Right? We need to OC from triangle law. From triangle law. For what? OA C triangle. Triangle law says what is the theory? We need to theory, no? Triangle law says what is that? This vector and this vector equal for this vector. right? I'm just simplifying, right? This vector, right? Any triangle, two vectors given by the sides of triangle. The other side says sum of two of the two vectors, right? Right. Now, OC. We can take the OC. We can use the triangle like that, no? Right? Triangle law says this triangle and this triangle, sum of this triangle, this side and this side, sum of these two sides equal to this side by vectors, right? That is OA and AC. It is that AC, right? Now OC. What is the OC? Lambda A. Here OC. Lambda A and AC is, what is that? AC. This is the parallel vector. This one and this one equal. Because of that, this is the parallel. We can use directly be like that. That is enough. No need other calculation else. And we need to BD also. BD. This one. Right. Again using triangle law. Triangle law for, what is that? BCD triangle. BCD triangle, that is CC. BD equal, they are asking BD, no? Yes, BD equal BC plus CD. BD equal BC plus CD, same thing, right? BC equal BD, BD equal BC plus CD. BD. Here's the BD. BD here. And BC. BC. Same thing. This is the lambda A. This one also lambda A. No issues. That one also lambda A. Plus CD. CD. 1 over 3. This is the one part of out of 3. Right? 1 over 3 of CA. Again BD, lambda A plus 1 over 3, CA is minus B, right? We are putting Y minus here and B. That is the answer. Finish. Right? And question number 5. Let ABCD be a rhombus. Right. Let ABCD be a rhombus with AB equal 2 meter and BAD pi by 3. Right. That is the answer. Pi by 3. Forces of magnitude 10n, 2n, and 6n, Pn, and Qn act alone AD, BA, BD, DC, and CP respectively in the direction indicated by the order of letters. It is given that the resultant force is magnitude 10 Newton, right? And it is direction is in the direction parallel to BC, in the sense from B to C. Find the values of P and Q. We have to find the values of P and Q like that. The last section. Right. ABCD rhombus. A, B, C, D rhombus, that is 2 meters one side. We not need that one, no? No need. Right? Right? Okay. Right. 10 Newton along AD. This is 10 Newton. This is pi by 3. Right? 10 Newton. Therefore, this one also pi by 3. Right? 2 Newton BA. Here 2 Newton. And 6 Newton BD. 6 Newton BD. This one. 6 Newton. And P Newton DC. This is P. Q Newton CB. This is Q. It is given that resultant force is magnitude 10 newtons. It is direction B to C. This is the pi by 3. This is the 10 Newton. This is the resultant. Direction also given that. Right? We can say resolution X and Y like that. Right? But I'm given you another way. Right? Take the values perpendicular this one. That is 0. Right? Resolution of the perpendicular to resultant force should be 0. Not should be, must be 0. That is the case. Resolving. What is that? This is the pi by 3. And this is the perpendicular line like this. Should be 0. Right. Now, then we can't take that this one and this one because of the these are the parallel and these three. Take that. This one also pi by 3. This side. 2. What is the perpendicular line like this? This is the pi by 3. Perpendicular like this, no? This is the pi by 6. Here also pi by 6. Right? This is the line. This is the pi by 3 that is divided 2 parts, pi by 6 and pi by 6. This one perpendicular. Pi by 3 here, perpendicular 90 is here. This one should be pi by 6. 2 cos pi by 6. And plus 6 cos pi by 6 also. Same thing. And this one also. Yeah, that is also same thing. This is the pi by 6. And this one also pi by 6. Again minus p cos pi by 6 altogether 0. Pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 6 cut. You can cut pi by 6, cos pi by 6 like that. Therefore, p equal 8. That is the answer. No need to use Newton here because Newton here given. Newton here given, no? No need to Newton like that. Right? And again resolving. What is that? Same direction pi by 3 like this. That is equal 10. Right? Direction. With the direction that is 10. Now we are using that one. Now we have to altogether, no? 10 minus q is minus, and here 2 Newton, no? 2 cos pi by 3, that is minus 2 cos pi by 3, and 6 here pi by 3, no? 6 cos pi by 3, that is positive. 6 cos pi by 3, that is positive, and again we have p. This is the pi by 3. P cos pi by 3, that is positive, equal 10. Equal 10. These 10 and these 10 cut. Now here minus q, and here minus 2 divided by 2, this is cos pi by 3 is half, and 6 divided by 2, and plus p is 8 divided by 2, that is equal 0. Right? Right. I think altogether 0 maybe, no? Here minus 8 over 2, and here minus plus 8. Altogether 0, q is 0. Finish. Right. This is the system. Right. Sorry. Here plus, no? And q is 6. This is the 14, minus 2 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, q is 6. That is the answer. Right, altogether finish. Everything finish. Keep it touch with us. Right, this is the first paper. Right, first paper of this is the spot test. Right, this is the very small one. This is the daily paper. This is the daily paper and we upload again and again. Right, we are starting today. Right, and other papers also in our YouTube channel. Right, that is past paper. Right, another one model paper also. Right, past paper has single and English medium both, but model papers in English medium only. This one also English medium only. Right, because of that I am doing English medium classes only. Right, that is the cases. I'm not doing the single medium classes. So many students ask me about single medium classes. No, I'm not, because of that I'm doing single English mediums only. Right, and you can join with my number in our channel also. Right, and so many papers. Right, I try that this type of papers and every week. Right, and another model papers also term test, model paper target to term test. Right, that one maybe 10 papers for that term. That is enough, no? Right, that is enough. Right, okay, please subscribe our channel and tick the bell. Right, okay, right, and comment please. Right, it is good or not, and help for you, please comment, and that is good for us, because of that we can improve our service, no? Right, okay, thank you. Right, we will meet again next paper. Okay, I boy.